In this video, we will take a closer look at Graffiti Creator and Graffiti Signed, and why they are must-have tools for graffiti artists and enthusiasts. Let's dive in. Graffiti Creator. Graffiti Creator is considered one of the best Graffiti Maker applications for Android. It offers a wide range of tools and features to create unique graffiti art easily. With this app, users can unleash their creativity by drawing, painting, and adding various effects to their graffiti designs. The app provides different brushes, colors, stickers, and fonts to personalize your creations. Additionally, Graffiti Creator allows users to save their artwork in high resolution and share it with others. Overall, this app is perfect for both beginners and experienced graffiti artists looking to express themselves through digital graffiti art. Graffiti Signed. Graffiti Signed is another top-rated Graffiti Maker application available for Android users. This app stands out for its user-friendly interface and powerful features that make creating graffiti art a breeze. Graffiti Signed offers a wide selection of fonts, colors, and effects to help users design stunning graffiti pieces. Whether you're a graffiti enthusiast or a professional artist, this app provides the tools you need to bring your ideas to life. Users can save their artwork and share it on social media platforms directly from the app. Graffiti Signed is a great choice for anyone looking to create impressive graffiti art on their Android device. Thank you for watching our video on the top Graffiti Maker apps for Android, Graffiti Creator and Graffiti Signed.